Alright, so you wrote some lyrics, replaced the original lyrics with the verses. I replaced the original lyrics of the chorus. So let's combine forces and play it together. So I'll count it off and we'll go into it. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Brown eyes and high